Hello Internet. I have another Rollei RGB light. This one looks like a lightsaber. Of course it's an Amazon return. And it has no working screen. Other functions seems to work. So let's quickly go inside. This light is all plastic, not like the other Rollei lights I have. Looks like we can't have nice things anymore. So let's go straight to the screen. As you can see on this diagram, I want to check if the screen receives power. Looks like 3.3 volts is present. So my best guess is that display is dead. Before removing the display, we need to cut the power supply by desoldering the battery. I want to use wave solder to remove the display. This is the quickest way, and we won't melt anything with hot air. I found some old MP3 player that I think I can use as a donor, so I will take it apart. It seems like the displays are different. I later also checked that this display has 27 pins, not 30 like the original one. So I just got the display from AliExpress OLED module. I think it's the cheapest way to source one. Soldering it back in is also pretty easy. You only have to remember to use a lot of flux. Of course, you always want to clean after soldering, and I can attach the battery. Now we can check if it works. I don't know about you, but for me this is working. This light also has some special effects. It would be a really nice light if it wasn't plastic. This tape on the buttons also doesn't scream quality. Also, the way they installed the OLED is a bit wonky. I think they are rebranding some hardcore Chinesium lamps. Okay, that's enough, let's put this together. Of course, the screen didn't jump into correct space. Just a final test. It all seems to be working. Thanks for watching and see you next time.